Millions wake up suffocating under debt they cannot escape. What if your payoff order matters more than anything else? Two rival strategies promise financial freedom with very different approaches. One attacks the math, the other attacks human psychology. Let's see which one actually wins in the real world. Meet Greg. He owes $47,000 across 4 accounts: a credit card, a personal loan, car payments, and medical bills. Minimum payments every month, but the balances barely budge. The debt snowball ignores interest rates and focuses on balance size. List your debts smallest to largest. Attack the tiniest one first. Pay minimums on the rest. Channel everything toward debt number 1. When that first debt vanishes, roll the payment into the next. Like a snowball downhill, your payments grow with each victory. Greg's medical bill is smallest at $2,000. He eliminates it in just 2 months and feels a surge of triumph. His brain releases dopamine. Progress feels real and tangible now. Next, he attacks the personal loan with fresh energy and confidence. The snowball costs more interest. The mathematics are undeniable. But research revealed something those calculations completely missed. Snowball users were 14% more likely to eliminate all debt completely. Small wins generate momentum that pure mathematics cannot produce. Behavioral economists call this the powerful debt account effect. Now consider the debt avalanche, favored by financial planners everywhere. Ignore balances entirely. Rank every debt by interest rate, highest first. Attack the most expensive debt with every dollar you can find. Greg's 19% credit card sits at the top of his list. This approach minimizes total interest paid across all debts combined. On Greg's debt, the avalanche saves about $2,000. $2,000 staying in his pocket instead of feeding creditors. The avalanche is mathematically superior. No financial expert disputes this. But optimal on paper and optimal in practice diverge quickly. That $12,000 credit card takes 7 grueling months to eliminate. 7 months of aggressive payments with only one debt shrinking. His other debts remain untouched, still demanding their monthly minimums. By month 4, many avalanche users hit a motivation crisis. They feel stuck on a treadmill, running hard, but going nowhere. This is where human psychology collides with mathematical theory. A study of 6,000 debtors revealed clear patterns. Focusing on one debt at a time produced higher success rates. The specific order mattered less than simply having a structured system. Yet analytical minds find their own motivation in mathematical efficiency. Knowing they're paying less interest keeps certain people focused and committed. These individuals should choose the avalanche without hesitation. The critical factor is which method you'll actually complete. A strategy abandoned after 3 months fails, regardless of its logic. Your personality and money history shape which approach fits you best. Quick wins motivate some people. Others need mathematical proof of progress. Some coaches suggest combining both methods into a hybrid approach. Start with one small snowball win for confidence, then switch to avalanche. The hybrid sacrifices some efficiency for an initial psychological boost. Any method you actually finish beats the perfect method you abandon. Choose your weapon. Pick the method that ignites something in you, not the one that looks best on paper. Track your progress visually. A chart on your wall transforms abstract numbers into tangible momentum. Celebrate small wins along the way. Each debt eliminated is a battle won in your larger war. Build an emergency fund first. 3 unexpected expenses derail more payoff plans than any other single factor. Automate your payments every month. Remove the decision, and temptation disappears with it. Find your tribe of fellow debt fighters. Online communities provide accountability when your motivation inevitably fades. Expect setbacks along the journey. A car repair doesn't erase months of real progress. The journey to debt freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Pace yourself accordingly. Neither method works if you keep accumulating new debt while paying off the old balances. Cut up the cards and freeze your spending. The hole stops growing only when you stop digging. Your income is your most powerful wealth-building tool. Protect it and direct it with purpose. Side hustles accelerate everything. An extra $500 monthly can cut years off your timeline. Knowledge without action is just entertainment. The best strategy in the world means nothing without consistent execution. Your future self is watching the choices you make today. Make them proud of your commitment. Research tracking over 10,000 people revealed something remarkable. Those who visualize progress were 40% more likely to succeed completely. Small, consistent actions compound dramatically over time. $5 extra a day becomes over $1,800 a year toward freedom. Your debt does not define your worth as a person. It represents past decisions, not your future potential. Every single dollar directed toward debt is a vote for your future freedom and independence. The date will arrive sooner than you think. Mark it on your calendar today, the day you make that final payment. Both methods share one critical truth. They both require you to begin. Write down your total debt tonight. That single number, however frightening, becomes your starting line toward freedom. Your journey from this moment forward is what truly matters most in the end. Pick a method, any method, and take that first step today. Your momentum starts now. The math clearly favors the avalanche, but the human heart often needs the snowball's early victories to persist. Greg chose the snowball and became completely debt-free in 31 months. Not because it was optimal, but because he actually finished. Financial freedom isn't just about numbers on the spreadsheet. It's about waking up without that crushing weight on your chest. The discipline you build during debt payoff becomes the foundation for lasting wealth. This transformation extends far beyond reaching a zero balance. Your debt-free day is coming closer. Keep walking toward it, one payment at a time. The avalanche saves money through efficiency. The snowball saves motivation through quick wins. Your job is simply to start. Thousands have walked this path before you and emerged debt-free. Tonight you write your own story of freedom. The journey begins.